wanted to tell you about a workshop I've got coming up. It's on the 12th of July. It's a face-to-face workshop. You do need to be in Sydney because it's face-to-face, but it's for making a origami folder or origami portfolio, and it's a really elegant piece. It's got a whole series of angled pockets and a very satisfying thing to make. So if you do a little bit of craft or enjoy folding paper, you need just a few hand skills to feel comfortable doing it, but we'll talk you through it. 4-hour workshop, and yeah, it's going to be really a good workshop to take part in. A friend of mine, Lobo, is coming out from the United States. She's leading the workshop and I'm assisting her, so I would love to see you there. I'll show it to you now. It's a 4-hour workshop from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So if you want an excuse to take a Friday off, this is absolutely it. Okay, we'll be making these, and I'll show you. This is all from one sheet of paper, which is just really elegant. So inside, you can see here, there are all these spaces, all these pockets to put little books in. And we're going to make this folder, the orange piece, out of one sheet of paper. It's a complex fold that's just really immensely satisfying. Then we'll sew some pages in, so you can do a fat notebook in here or a skinny one, depending what you want. If you're an artist, you can make it a particular kind of paper that you want to use. And then these can be all different sorts of little mini books, which we'll show you. And one of them is a map fold, so we'll show you how to make a map fold. And this is a pamphlet book. We'll show you how to make that. And you get to decorate it as well. And then the whole thing folds up into this really amazingly elegant folder. Now, there's all sorts of variations that you can make with this, as I'll show you here. This is made from drawing, and you can see how that comes around. And so this, you can have matching paper that goes inside it. This I'm going to sew together in the workshop. I'll show you that if you come. And then again, there's all these slots for the pockets for the books to go in that you're going to make in the workshop. And lastly, I'll show you a smaller version, because this can be decorated in many different ways, many different styles. This is the small version. And you can see, again, another way of decorating it. This is done with watercolor and some Japanese paper. And you can fit all the little books in the pockets and make a booklet to go in the middle. So all these are really lovely variations of the origami pocket folder. And the workshop is held in Callan Park in Lilyfield, and it's at the New South Wales Guild of Craft Bookbinders. You don't have to be a member. It's $170 for non-members and less for members of the guild. But yeah, Friday, July 12th, I would love to see you there, and you're welcome to click on the link below to book in.